Hey guys, I'm finally back, and today I just want to make a quick video showing you trades that I got today and kinda an update on my journey with the prop firms. As you know, I lost all my fundings and my payout and everything with the funded trader and skill funded trader because I had one live account there and a phase 2 there as well. Don't worry about that video, I will do it. I should have done it a month ago immediately, but I will explain everything in the video where I will talk about that. This video I just want to talk about trading. This is what we are traders, so we got trade. And today I just had a very good day, and I just want to go through some of the trades that I've taken. It will be helpful to some of you guys since what I'm doing clearly works. So let's start with this account. This is a final account with funded next 100k account. These are all the trades that I've taken today. As you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, 1 loss and 4 wins. As you can see, my risk to reward is kinda not fixed. Like some people might say, like I have 1 to 2 risk to reward, and they usually go to 1 to 2. Mine is much more dynamic. You know, like this is just 1k, which is 1%. This is minus 2.7. This is plus 5, plus 1.5, plus 2. So. But overall, I guess I also have around 1 to 2 or something like that. So if you've seen my post on Twitter yesterday, I think it was on the Dow, I was trying to catch the bottom in this huge move down, which I said it's not for beginners. If you're not profitable, don't try it because it's very hard to make money. And let me show you better. I think I had bought here and here on Twitter. I guess I will show you the screenshots. And as you can see, even though the market went up 50 points or something, I still was not able to make any money. I closed break even simply because it's very hard to make money in a bear market as a bull. You should only be focused to sell when you see this kind of market, because even if you bought as a perfect low of the reversal, it would have gone up only 70 points here and here 60 points. Very hard to make money. On the other hand, if you were short, you know, here 90 points down, even if you sold at the very bottom, you went down 200 points. So much easier to sell. So with that being said, I was trying to catch the reversal up, which obviously came today. I was very early yesterday. My bias was already long, and I simply just waited for more confirmation. Here you can see the bulls are very strong, you know, with these bars, this move up here, they're kind of in control. So I thought this was gonna be the resumption for this move up that I anticipated since yesterday. And it was. My stop, I think it was around here, below these lows. So it was like 45 point stop and 160. It's like a 1 to 3, very big. It was a very nice trade. Now your stop, should you put your stop below these 2 wicks? You can, but you can also put it all the way down here. Obviously, in this specific example, you would have only got 1 to 1.4, which is still great. And overall, you will have more probabilities of winning, like higher win rate, if you have the bigger the stop you have. But this setup, I just was confident, I just like it this way, and that's just what I executed. Now here, I sold, and I was kind of trying to do the same thing that I wanted to do yesterday here by looking to buy in this clear of bearish market. This time though it worked. My stop was above this lower high. 48 point stop and 75 target, which is like 1 to 1.5. Now this trade, to be honest, should have been executed way better. Should have probably stalled around here. Just have around 31 point stop loss, 93 target, which is literally a 1 to 3. So as you can see, it went from a 1 to 3 risk to reward to a 1 to 1.5. I still took it because it's still good. And this is a fallacy that a lot of traders have, especially beginners. Like if I buy here and the market goes up and the retraces and go up and I'm still long, it means that in your opinion or my opinion, it's still worth to be long here. So if I buy here and I'm still long after this bar, it's the equivalent of you buying right now. Because equity is your money. There's this fallacy thinking that equity is not your money, but it is your money, because if you close the trade, it's your money. It is your money, equity. It's your open profit, it's your money. So if you open here a trade and you're long here, it's the equivalent of you just buying here. Now, this is easier said than done. Even to me, it's really hard to buy like up here. That is kind of, if you think about it, at least to me makes sense. It should be the same, If I'm still long up here, then I should also not feel scared to buy up here. Of course, always with a proper stop. So maybe all the way down here. And some traders even bring this to the next level. This is something that I don't do. Like you probably heard, or you probably even think yourself, that if you make profit during a session, then you can risk your profits to try to make more profits. I think that's just silly. If you have an account, if you have your money, why do you need to risk more? Risking the profits, it's your money. Like new money, old money, the money you made yesterday is the money you made today. It's still your money. Why do you need to think, I made money today, I'm going to risk my profits to make more profit? This is something that I don't do. But this is just me. Of course, there are no clear rules in trading. Trading is really flexible and you need to follow whatever resonates with you. So again, I got this long, I got this short. I'm very happy with the trading today. Basically, I got the move up. Like the whole move up was 300 points if you got perfect. I got half of it. I wish that every swing up I could catch half of the move. That would be amazing. Then the move down, I also caught from 130, I think it was 75. Very good, more than half. And it was also the only move down. I'm very happy with this. So yeah, here we have 3 trades, 1 long and 2 short. I just added up. And then I also had some trade here in the Dow. They were not the same trades. Like around here I bought Nasdaq, and around here I sold Nasdaq. I also bought, the first buy was here. Again, it was overnight. It was during the extended hours, because as you know, the Dow futures is closed at this time. So I still thought the market would go up, and that's why I bought. Now the bars are very small here, so it's hard to see, but I bought here, made 50 points. I just didn't like the way it was going up. It was going up so slow. Just closed it to say whatever. Then I had this move up, which is essentially the same principle that maybe by here. I thought this was the start of the move up, but clearly I was wrong once again. The bias was correct, the position was alright, but I made a mistake with timing or with stop loss, because my stop loss was here. And like I said before with the example of Nasdaq, yes, here my stop was just below these lows, but I could also put all the way down here. I put halfway and I got stopped out. I could have put all the way down here and be safe, and I would still gotten 1 to 1.7 maximum. So it really depends on your trading style. Anyway, I got 1 air loss. I think here I got, my stop was down here. Oh, this was not even a 1 hour trade, so yeah, I just closed it early. So yeah, these are all the trades that I made today in this specific account. I also made other trades, obviously. I have another account which is on CTrader with, I think it's Blue Guardian. And I'm gonna show you guys the trades that I made there. And yeah, so usually I don't trade this way. Lot size, trading style, it's just mine. Because it's very aggressive, very big trading. So today or yesterday, as I'm filming really late, as you can see, I made like almost 35,000 profit, which is huge. This account was in drawdown. I'm just gonna risk more in some challenges, because to me it didn't turn out a good choice to just be conservative, like before in the start, 2022 when I started, and even 2023, and until a few months ago I was playing these challenges like relatively safe, You know, I was trying to scale up the accounts. I was trying to make those consistent small profits, which I still am, but I just feel like I need to accelerate the challenges. I'm not gonna trade this aggressively in all my accounts, obviously. This is a 200k account, so that's why the number is huge, but still. I just want to trade a little bit more aggressive because these platforms are exploding left and right, and I'm the one who's losing at the end of it, you know. Like with the funded trader, I lost 600k or something in funded accounts and 1k in payout. I had 400k in phase 2 and 400k in phase 1. I had 100k in a skill funded account, another one phase 2. So I lost a lot. Like if you do the math, to get a funded account, I don't pass all of the challenges. So let's say I need 2 challenges to get funded, or even 3. But let's say 2. The account they took from me, you know, are worth already like altogether $12,000, $13,000, $14,000 of my money, not payouts, not simulated virtual profit, my money. I believed in the funded trader, that's why I kept buying challenges with them, and they allow you to have maximum allocation plus challenges, so that when you fail at a funded account, you already have, I don't know, some phase 2 to trade, and then you get funded and you're funded again. So I trusted them. I got wrecked, you know. It was not the right move. Hindsight, of course, is easy. Just like trading, heavy trade hindsight is so easy. But so yeah, I'm the one who got screwed. Now I'm gonna be a little bit fast with these challenges, as I don't know which firm will stay, which firm will explode, which firm will come up with some excuse, or will go bankrupt, or will investigate it, but whatever entity, I don't know. Even with my Forex fund, I had 10k in payouts, I had 700 funded. You know, to get 700 funded scaled up accounts, that's like at least 10k worth of money, my money from my pocket. And then if we talk about estimated profit that I would have made with 700 in funded accounts, that's probably 70k, 80, 100, I don't know, all of it gone so fast. So anyway, here, as you can see, my trades, Nasdaq trade I already showed you. Let's talk a little bit about this dollar yen trades. So how does this even work? Also guys, CTrader platform doesn't work. I cannot download. I don't know, for some reason the website doesn't let me download it. I don't know if it's website issue, it's only me, because I'm here in UAE. I have no idea, guys. So market was overall going up. I guess we should go on 1 hour chart to see better. So market was going up and we had this huge move down below all these lows. I thought, I don't know if you can see where I entered here. I thought we would just go up, which we did. So we just buy, put the stop below these wicks and have a very nice win. Then I thought we would continue short, right, from this trend. I thought we would continue short, which we did a little bit with these 2 bars and this wick. But then eventually it turned out this reversal was too strong and we continued up. You know, I try to live in this principle, which either you are in the market, like if you sell and I closed, it means, in my opinion, that the market would go higher. So since I closed here, sometimes I keep it on my mind. It means that I should buy. It means I think that it was going to go up. So when I closed this sell, I reversed and bought. And in fact, it went up to this huge resistance zone. You can see this huge trading range where the market stopped even yesterday and 3 days. For 3 days, it traded in this level, which means the market sees as a fair level. And that's where it was my target. And you could have shorted here, which it did go down a little bit. But the market was going to close. I was done with the challenge, and that's basically how I went from a huge drawdown to passing phase 1 of 200k account. Okay, so last thing, I have some updates in the payouts. I have some payouts pending. As you can see, 9 of April, I have this 2.8k to withdraw, then I have 3k, here I'm not in profit, so nothing, and 4k, so I have 10k to withdraw only with Bright Funded, then I think I have another 2k with True Forex Fund, another 3 or 4 with Funded Next. I also have my Funded FX, funded peaks, glow node. I have so many. It's kind of hard to keep track of all of it, but yeah, so far it's going decent for me, even though the journey was really tough, from moving from Italy to Dubai and losing all your equity. My Forex fund, which when I moved, I thought it would have been my pillar, you know. I thought it would have been the main company who would have sustained and make it worth to move from a tax country, Italy, which if you don't know, in Italy you pay like 30% taxes, to zero here. My Forex fund would have been the company sustaining this change, but a few months later it just exploded and then lost everything. Like if you think about it, I was making around 20k a month with my Forex fund, and then the month before you make it, the month after you lose it. It's kind of traumatic. And then again, I did it all over again, and this time I put all my eggs into the funded trade, but not all of them, but most of them. I'm going to make that video against TFT. They should not get away with it. They are ruining people's lives. What they did is, it's scam, it's criminal. The guy, Angelo, the CEO, should go behind the bars. It's a rotten person, it's a criminal, it's a scam. Him and whoever is behind the company, whoever made the decision, should go behind the bars. I will write to CFTC like many people did, and I hope they will investigate them just like they did with my Forex fund. And I hope Angelo will go and get what he deserves, and at least I will get my refund back, since they literally robbed me 12k. It's not only the payout, which they don't pay, but the account breached for no reason. They got $12,000 from me. That's crazy. But anyway, guys, this was meant to be a short video. I don't know how long it is, but these are my trades. I have some accounts which they need to send me. Like I'm funded with Alpha Capital and with Blue Guardian. They still haven't sent me the live accounts. I hope they will not find some weird rules not to send me the accounts, because nowadays you never know. But anyway, if anyone sends me the account, I think I should have around 2 million in funding, which is very good. And now, yeah, I will trade these challenges a little bit more aggressively, and I will see which company is a scam, which one pays. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated and see how it goes. Follow me on Twitter, because this is basically things that I said on Twitter. Not in this much details, but if you want to know in advance how the journey is going and what is going on, like TFT, 9th of March or 14th of March, I already made very clear that TFT had breached me and denied me. I just didn't talk about it publicly and explicitly or making a video, because I was told that you need to wait and try to resolve the situation with the company first, with the risk manager, by email. But they take weeks to reply, which they don't even reply, just send a copy-paste email. But anyway, I will say everything in the TFT video, and also how to write CFTC complaint, because I genuinely want them to go to jail. So I will see what regulators will do. All I can do is just making CFTC complaints and give you guys awareness of which firm to stay away from. Anyway, this is really it. I will see you guys on the next one.